here, type this in. I don't think I need to. You can include like APIs. So you can add like Nana Banana API or conversational voice apps or animated images with Veyor, etc. You don't need any of this for social media posts unless you're talking about something like the latest news, right? So I'm going to click on build now and we'll see what we get back. The Flying Bee says, tell us how you automated your video generation workflow. If you actually want to know how to do that stuff, go to the AI Profit Boardroom, link in the comments description. Then go to the playbook over here and go to the AI avatar section. I actually have a full video tutorial plus an SOP. And if you ever get stuck, you can ask inside the community. You can DM me. It's the only place I actually personally answer my DMs. And also inside the calendar here, you get 4 to 5 coaching calls per week. So you can ask any questions that you you can ask inside the community, and you can connect with me personally. Plus, you get all my best trainers on how to automate AI avatar videos. But it's a bit more complex, and it goes out of the scope of this video today. So we're generating this tool now, and there we go. All right. So now I'm going to say, right, I'm going to paste in the actual title from this live stream today. What is going on here? There we go. So we'll grab the title from the live stream, copy that. You go back to AI Studio, plug this in. Hit generate posts and headlines. We're generating marketing gold according to Google AI Studio. And now we've got this ready to go, right? And we've got a bunch of headlines here. So let me give an example of how to use this. So I'm going to take this headline like so. Google AI Studio, automate your business free. Go back to the AI Money Lab community, plug in the title from the tool, grab the contents, we'll copy that, plug that in. I don't like the CTAs. We'll actually change that. I'm going to say, right, make the CTA to the AI Profit Boardroom more personalized to the topic. And then the school link shouldn't be the school link, it should be the YouTube link. Placeholder should actually be the YouTube link, right? So if we go to YouTube, we'll go over here, copy this, boom. Now we have the automated process, right? I think the main thing that needs to improve there is the CTA at the bottom to the AI Profit Boardroom, but everything else is pretty good. So we'll change the tool and just recode it slightly, but that won't take long at all. The main thing is here that, again, we've automated another stage in the process, which is going to save us time, right? Because let's say, for example, it used to take me like 20 minutes to prepare for a live stream. Well, using the tools that I've just built with AI Studio, that might only be like 10 minutes now because we've automated the topic, the title, the image, and the social media posts promoting it.